Hi friends, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to talk about how to calculate running total for quarter to date. So we are going to see in today's video. So please watch all my previous videos so we'll get more understand DAX. Now let's go to the Power BI desktop. There we can understand the today's video demo. So for timing, already I have designed the report, so I'll try to explain what are the steps I have followed to create this report and all. So before getting into the details of the report, let me explain. So what are the tables I have imported from the Excel so to design all this report and all. Okay, so customer table, geography, product, sales territory, team date, product category, subcategory, fact, internet sales. So these are the tables I have imported from the Excel, and also will try to understand what kind of relationship I have established to design this report and all. Okay, for that, so go to the model tab. So model, just collapse these two, scroll down a little bit. Now you can see that so already I have established the relationship between the dimension tables and fact tables. So understanding relationship, it's very important. So for example, so if I place the mouse over here, we can see that based on the date from the date dimension table and based on ordered key, date key in the fact table, I have established the relationship. So even you can see that so the direction of the relationship is like one to many direction. It means that the filter of propagation flowing from this direction to so many direction. So likewise I have established the relationship for the other tables also. So okay, so we'll try to go to the report tab. Now I'm going to explain so what I have done here. So this is the tables. Okay, so here we have date column, and with respect to the date we have the sales for each day wise. So basically we have sales from 2001 July month 1st onwards, we have the sales. So here I'm calculating the running total from each quarter wise, how to do that. Okay, so here also same values, but there is a slight difference. That is, for example, there are some cases we don't have transaction for some dates, so here I'm just including that, but here I'm just ignoring. If you notice here, 7th July, 11th, 13th, we don't have 12th because for 12th we don't have sales. Here I'm not ignoring this date, but here I'm ignoring. So based on the requirement, we can whether we can ignore or whether we can include, that's fine. And also we have the slicer. Based on the slicer, we are just filtering. I want to see the only the specific date range. I want to see the running total for quarter wise. Okay, and also we have one card visual. So here whatever the slicer by using date selection, automatically we are capturing in the card visual, so that easily we can understand, okay, this from this date to this date we have the quarter to date sales. So likewise easily we can understand. Okay, so first I will try to show the measures. First we'll try to see the date range. Of course already I have explained how to create the measure like that. So I am using concatenate function by using min-x date and max date. So I'm taking on finally concatenating to get that value in the card visual. Okay, so for running total for QTD, I'll try to show that. So this is where I have created the expression by using calculate sum x. By using filter function I am taking so max here for each year wise and quarter with respect to the quarter, and finally including those dates and returning this variable here also. But the difference between the previous measure, this measure is while returning I'm just validating if the sales are blank or not. If the sales are blank, return the blank, otherwise return the whatever the expression we have written in this variable, just it will return it. Okay, so the likewise I have created this report, and even you can slice. See for example, if I change, so automatically we can see that. See, in 2003 now you can change anything, so immediately it will affect in the card as well, so that easily we can understand Okay, this is the from day to this to date we have this sales, and also we have different phase. So here I have taken as a different visual. So we have two slices, one is year slicer, another one is quarter slicer. So based on the selection, so I'm just taking into the quarter to date. Okay, for example, if I select on anything in 2003 quarter 2, so how what are the sales running total? Okay, now you can see. So likewise we can create this, we can select on anything. It's a dynamic nature. So for 2001 quarter 1 we don't have sales basically. So sales starting from the July month, so that is the reason we don't have sales for the quarter 1. Even if we click on quarter 3, so we can see that sales. Okay, likewise we can create the report also. So that's all for today's video. So if you have any questions or queries, you can send me an email or drop your comments in the comment section, so that I'll try to reply as soon as possible. So please try to watch all my previous videos, so you'll get some understanding DAX. So that's all for today's video. Thanks so much for watching.